A very good morning, BBPS. How are you all? All fine, very good. Stay home, be safe, children. Now, children, in previous class 2nd, what we discussed chapter number 1st of EVS. Now, in this class 2nd, what we discussed chapter number 2nd of EVS and by body parts. So, all of you take out your EVS book. This one. Now, take out page number 12 from a book. Now, next topic, today's topic is my body parts. All of you have your bodies? सबको bodies होती है, yes. So, all of you they have parts also. Understood? Understood, children? Now, the human body have different parts. All of you know that human body have many different parts. External body part and internal body parts. Understood? External what? External body parts means जो बाहर से दिखता है. That is known as external body parts. Understood? And organs are the body parts which specifies functions, and there are lots of organs, sense organs which perform specific function or task. Now, what is external body part, children? Now, see what is external part means those parts which we can see, that is known as external, and internal that we cannot see. With that part we cannot see, and external we can see. Now, see what is external. See, ears is external body part, eye is external body part. All of you know ear is our external body part. Nose, this is nose, this is neck, NECK neck, sorry by mistake, children. Now, see this is our shoulders, this is our external body part, this is our chest, this is our arms, this is our hand. Understood? Now, see knee, leg, ankle, clear? Now, here this is nose, this is finger, this is mouth, this is elbow, this is stomach, this is calf, this is thumb, this is toe. These consist our body part, children. And all of you know there are many body parts, this is consist of many parts. Now, what are sense? Children, what are sense? Which we cannot see, we cannot feel, we cannot touch. Now, children, see senses EYES, eyes. Understood? We have two eyes that help us to see. Now, ears, ears help us to hear. We have two ears. Understood? Now, nose, we have one little nose that help us to smell, that are external part. We have tongue, tongue help us to taste. Understood? Now, skin, skin help us to feel. Clear, students? Clear? Clear, students? That are consist of external body part, and they are also sense organs. Now, see page number 14, children. Now, next topic, sense organs. Of these external body parts, some organ help us to sense and experience the thing around us. These are known as sense organs. We have 5 sense organs we have discussed here. There are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. They help us to know all the thing around us. They also help us. Now, first we know that our eyes help us to see different things around us. Ears, listening to others. Nose, smell. Tongue, taste, skin, feel and touch. This consists of external body parts. Now, we discuss what is internal body parts, students. All of you understood what are external part? These consist of external body parts. Now, we discuss what is internal body parts. First of all, we rub the board, then we discuss what is internal body part, children. Now, we discuss what is internal part. We rub the board and draw a sketch for your children. Now, see what are internal body part, children. Now, see internal body part or organs cannot be seen from outside as they are inside our body. So, important internal organs are as follows. External, all of you know that we see, but internal we cannot see. So, see here what is, how many internal parts, main important internal organs we have drawn from you, children. Now, first is brain. This is brain, children. All of you understood? This is brain. You also see in your book also, children. Now brain control our body and its activities. It also help us to think, remember and learn. It help us to think, learn. Understood? Brain help us to think and learn and remember. Now see next, heart. The heart is located in our chest. It works all the time and pumps blood to all parts of the body. Where is heart? This is heart. It pumps blood. ये कहाँ होता है? हमारे चेस्ट में, here. ठीक है, चेस्ट में होता है. This pumps blood to all parts of our body and help us to circulate the blood to all parts of our bodies. Understood, children? Now second, we have a set of 2 lungs. They help us to breathe. Now see lungs. This is lung, help us to breathe. Children, lung help us to breathe. Understood? We have 2 lungs and 2 sets of lungs and it help us to breathe. Now see, our stomach helps to digest the food eaten by us so that it can be used by the body. So stomach help us to digest our food. Clear? Digestion के लिए काम आता है हमारा stomach. Clear students? See, stomach inside. This is internal body part and it help us to digest our food, children. Now see our next body part, internal. The liver cleans the blood. It helps in digestion too. Now liver helps to clean the blood and help to digestion. Liver help us to clean the blood and helps to digest our food. Now our last topic, that is kidney. We also have a 2 set of kidneys. They help us to throw the waste out of the body. Now this is kidney and help us to waste out of the body, means जो हमारी गंदगी है, वेस्ट है हमारी बॉडी से, ये थ्रो आउट करता है. तो help us to waste out our body waste material. Understood, children? This is known as internal body part and this is external body parts. Now understood this chapter, students? सबको समझ में आया? All of you understood? There are many sense or 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Clear? Now 2 body organs. First is external, second is internal. External body parts: eyes, nose, ears, chest, hands, leg, fingers. Now internal body part, children: lungs, brain, heart, stomach, liver, kidney. They are known very important internal body parts. Without this we cannot live. So all of you read chapter number 2. Enjoy it and stay home. Be safe, children. Today's homework, read chapter number 2. Till then, bye student. We meet in next class with next topic.